So today what I'm going to talk to you about is become a digital and web analyst program that starts on June 8th. This is the only program in the world that provides you not only the knowledge you need to become a digital analyst, and I'm not talking about implementation, as you might have seen my views on digital analytics. A lot of people confuse putting GA tags um, uh, with being a digital analyst. That's not what it is. It's a part of it, but that's not everything, right? There is a stream for it. I did a live session last week talking about the career path, and there is a place for people who put tags, but just putting the tags is not enough. However, in this program, we cover all aspects. So you become a complete digital analyst. And after you go through the program or during the program, you can figure out which direction you want to go. We provide you support in all those aspects. So it's strategy, reporting, implementation, optimization, etc. So we cover all those aspects, not only with the content that I provide, but also you work on a practical project. This project helps you put whatever you're learning, you put that in practice. So you're learning, you're applying, you're learning, you're applying. That's the best way to learn. However, if you take random videos and start to learn, it's very, very difficult for you to piece together the whole process. And that's what we demystify in this program. This program has been, I've taught this program for past 17 years at universities, colleges, Digital Analytics Association. In past few years, we have taken this online. So I do still like those classes, but we're trying to do more and more live classes, even for them, like universities, as well as Digital Analytics Association. So this program, this is going to be the 6th batch that we are that will be going through this program. The beauty of this program is that once you take it, you can come back and take it more and more times as I evolve the course. So it's not like you take it once and you're done. You can keep going through this program as long as you are part of my membership. And I provide mentorship, guidance, whatever you need till you are successful. That's the whole idea behind this program. If you're not successful, I'm not successful. So if you're watching, or if you're going to be watching replay, leave a comment for me. I'm happy to have a conversation. I'll be doing conversation this week because we are coming to an end of the early bird pricing for this program. So I want to make sure you guys take that advantage or use that early bird pricing so that you can get in for a lower price. The value you get is amazing. It's not there are 12 sessions, so you can divide $1,000 by 12. Plus, in addition to those 12 sessions, I do one-on-one sessions, making sure every student gets the benefit. So what's in this program? Let's take a look at here. I am going to share the program details. So give me a minute here, share my screen, and here it is. Here you can see this program details. But let's start with if any of this sounds like you know a few things about digital analytics, but want to add new skills and practice, right? That's one. You're a digital marketer. We get a lot of digital marketing folks who want to add data and analytics skills. And that's exactly what you get. You get the process. You see where to apply data and how to apply data. Even if you're looking fresh start in exciting new career, this is the place. I have people who have come from different backgrounds. Project management background, not even like any science background, no development background. Those guys are coming. So you don't need very, very technical skills to become a digital analyst. You have taken few courses because you're interested, watched the YouTube videos. There are tons of them. Even we have lots of them on our channel, but you still can't get your head around where to focus. There's so many things, and that's distracting. Right? You want to be able to focus on things that matter. I have had a few people I see, and I wonder, like, how can they make progress when they are going in so many directions? There are so many technologies. You know how many technologies are there in marketing analytics or marketing, just the whole technology space? 8,000 plus tools. Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager are just two of them. But there are so many tools. Where should you be focusing? And what should you be focusing? You are overwhelmed by things that people tell you what you need to learn. You need help in making progress. You can't find the right support, and that's what we'll provide you. We'll provide you the right support and mentorship. You're stuck in your career, we'll give you a clear path. So now that's what we will be able to do. We'll get you unstuck, we'll get you to correct learning path, and network to help you find new job or freelance opportunities. So that's one of the difficult part is, how do most people find jobs? Most people find jobs through networking. And that is the power that you will have when you become part of the network. You become part of the group here who's ready to help you. And a program will provide you clear learning path, as I said, help you become a digital. That's my goal. Help you become a digital analytics rock star. Whether you're using in digital marketing, and digital analytics has a role to play in pretty much every aspect of the business, whether it's program management, project management, product management, data sciences, finance, account management, digital analytics, definitely, product development, design, technology, every place digital analytics has a place. So we'll help you find the right fit for you so that you can focus on what you're good at and then combine that with digital analytics to really excel your career. Even if you want to completely switch, that's okay. You can completely switch to a new career. Basically, you'll become so confident in your data analysis, in your skills, that you won't have any issue in transitioning to a new career. That's what will help you land a new job or even excel in your current job. Here are some of the testimonials that you can go through. Abhi, who's active in this group, actually, he was an SEO person, and he is learning digital analytics. He has gained a lot of knowledge, and he's still improving on that. Tanisha, product marketing analyst. Antoine started with no background, and this was his first internship he found based on the project he did in the class. That's what he said. He just took that project, chose the dashboard that he created, showed it, and wowed the company, and he got his internship. And Charles has done a lot of live sessions with me as well. He was one of the students who came from no background at all. No background. He accidentally enrolled in my classes because he wanted to get some analytics stuff to learn what it is. And then he ended up being an analyst. He is not a digital analyst. He is now more a data engineer. So he transitioned into that role. Again, being in constant touch with me, I was able to tell him, like, do this, do that. And definitely, what he did was amazing. And that's his drive. So he's giving, credit to me. I'm giving credit to him because it's his focus, work ethics, and the drive that made him this. All I can do is give you the knowledge, give you the guidance. But if you do not have a drive, then this is not for you. But if you are set on becoming a digital analyst, I'll demystify all this stuff so that you can focus on learning and improving. So what do you get in this program? You get weekly lectures and assignments. I'm going to check here, see, okay, no comments here. You get weekly lectures and assignments. So you build your competency step by step. I do not take anything for granted. Like, you might know that or you might not. So I go through each and every step. You get a real business to work on. You can bring your own website, your friend's website, or somebody's website, or if not, then we'll give you a website to work on. Weekly calls during the program. And like I said, weekly, but you can do more than weekly if you want. We have a team also that's going to support you in this journey. You have the awesome community of fellow students, Optizen team, and alumni. And at the end, you get a certificate in digital and web analytics. So here are some of the questions that you might have. We'll go. If you have any other questions that I haven't answered here, then please do let me know. If you already know Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, will I get value? Yes, definitely you'll get value. We don't even talk about Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager. So that's an important thing for you to know. It is not a GA4 class. It's not a GTM class. Those are different. You can become a member. I have extensive courses on those. What I'm telling you is when to use Google Analytics and when to use Google Tag Manager, how to use it. We talk about those tools in I think third or fourth session. Prior to that, you need to understand what you're doing. And that's what we focus on. This is one of the issues that I always see where people start to put tags before they think. You need to think before you put a tool in place. Is it self-paced or are there live sessions? It's self-paced, but live sessions are there to support you. If you show up, you get lots of value. But if you can't, for whatever reason, you can take it whenever you have time. However, I always tell students to focus and get the things done in the week that they're talked about. Otherwise, you'll lose track and then it'll be hard to catch up. Again, if you do miss for whatever reason the session that you enrolled in, you can always come back in the next session. As long as you are a member, you can keep coming back. And also becoming part of this and becoming a member, this is upon me to help you be successful. I'm always working with students. Every single day, I work with somebody or the other. And I'm building more and more support for students. So it's like, if you effectively look at, you might be paying like maybe $2 an hour or even less than that amount of time I give to my students and members. I have too many things going on. Will I have time to squeeze in this program? Everybody's busy. I'm busy, but I work a lot of hours. You have to find time. But this program will only require 2-3 hours. If you put in more, you'll get more. So some weeks are light, some weeks are very, require more time, but prioritize it. If you don't prioritize it, you're not going to get the value, no matter what. So if you don't have any time, then this program is not for you, because you'll be wasting your money and you'll not make a progress. But if your career is a priority to you, if making more money is a priority to you, then make this a priority. And I guarantee you, you will be successful. I'm not a techie. You don't need to be techie. Even like one thing I've realized is over a period of time going through these courses, some students are very tech allergic. That means they are not going to be in the implementation side. So when we talk about Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics in like 4th week, you have a support from other students, members of Optizen team, who can help you overcome that hurdle. So they can actually go through and implement based on what you need. So that's just a little hurdle. You can get past that because not everybody needs to be technical. Many people in my teams in past haven't been technical. All they know is what the business needs and how to write that in a format that a technical person can implement. Do I have to finish a project to complete the course? Not really. I make it optional because we are all adults. However, if you do, again, you'll get a ton of value because I provide feedback, and Antoine did that. He finished the project. Charles finished the project as well. Both of them actually did finish a project because they were new to this field and they needed that feedback, and that helped them get the jobs or internship. Other students do it sometimes, as was the case with Tanisha. She's using her own business website. That's where she works, and she could not reveal all the information. So that's fine. That project was never revealed, which is fine, but she completed all the things that were required. I already have a few years of experience and don't want to start a new career. How will this program help? This program helps everybody, no matter how many years of experience you have. Now, if you are a digital analyst and have been doing for 4 or 5 years, then this is not the program for you. If you're just, if you're just starting in digital analytics, this program is a must-have for you. Digital marketer, must-have for you. Any other background that you have and you want to transition into digital analytics, this is for you. So here's some details around the program. As I said, Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, we don't talk about till like fourth week. And that's like we only spent about a week or two, but we focus a lot more on other things here. So here, early bird expires. And this price is going to maybe, I will offer this time and maybe next time. I'm still evaluating, but definitely I'm leaning towards increasing the prices because the value that I provide, the time I spend with students is enormous. And the value you are going to get, if you're not able to make this much money after you graduate from this program, then I have failed. That's the way I look at it. You will be making multiples of this money. And that's why I think there is a lot of value and I can increase the price to focus on those students who are serious. And fact of matter is, the more you pay, the more serious you are. If I make this program free, you're not going to take it. This session is live, it's free. And I'm not sure how many of you will actually be listening to it and asking questions. So let's see. If anybody is actually, yes, there are people watching. So this is your chance. I do so many free sessions. I give people so many chance to learn. If you attend all of my free sessions, you'll have a lot of understanding already. You don't even need to pay for this, but just show up for all my live sessions. And I do them randomly. They're not in an order. You have to piece them together. Like this fits in here, this fits in here. In the program, you get a structured program. So join, take my word for it. You will get the benefit. We start on June 8th. Don't miss this opportunity. Early bird is expiring soon. If you have any questions, leave a comment here or reach out to me. I'm always in the group, participating in the group. You'll see me. My philosophy is give man a fish, he or man a fish. That's an old saying. So man, women, a fish, he or she will eat for a day. Teach them how to fish. They'll feed them forever. They'll feed the whole village pretty much, like everybody. And that's what my philosophy. Teach you. I do not give direct answers many times. I look at people's questions and I figure out what they're trying to do. And maybe my assumptions are wrong sometimes, but that's how I look at them in forums and say, do I need to answer this specifically, or do I need to give them direction? Some questions are very easy and I don't answer them because I look at the intent of the person and say, okay, this person is just trying to get an answer, not really trying to learn. My whole focus is learning. You become part of it. You become part of my tribe. You will be successful. That's my guarantee. So this is your time. If you are already a digital analyst, then you can also join membership, which is also active right now or open. I don't open it that frequently, but it is right now open. And this price for sure is going up. 100%, I know this price is going up. So this is your chance to join this one if you are already a digital analyst, or you want to just pick up some specific skills like GA4, GTM, BigQuery. We have 20 plus courses in there. And every day I'm adding more content. Every day I'm working on this to make it the best course list that's out there for digital analytics. Everything that you need for digital analytics is here in this academy. So you have two options: either become a member. And if you're not sure about my teaching style, I would say become a member. Try it for a month. If you like it, go for the Become a Digital Analyst program next time. But next time, keep in mind this price can go up, plus you're delaying your success by a few months. Best time to get into the program was yesterday or last time. And second best time is now. The longer you wait, the longer you are delaying. So it's your choice. Do you want to join now, or you want to keep waiting? Think about how some students I've come across, some people, they haven't become student. They have been asking me questions for like past 3 years. What will I get? How will I do it? And they're still in that position. Others have joined and made progress. Others have joined and started careers. They didn't wait to get the perfect answer. There's no perfect time. Perfect time is now. That's it. So you can't just keep waiting. This is the time. If this makes sense to you, I would love to have you and help you in your career. So that's it. I'm going to go check question and answer if there are any. If not, that's fine because I just did ad hoc live session. I will do more ad hoc live sessions this week. And I will also do specific Q&A if you guys have questions. So let me know. This session is okay. I was looking at my Facebook if there are any questions. No questions. So that's it, folks. Leave a comment for me and hopefully I will see you in the program. This is the only program in the world that gives you both theoretical knowledge as well as practical experience that you need. You can put that on your resume. You have that experience. You're part of my team at that point because I'm helping you become successful. All right. I'll talk to you guys later.